mayifika ngaphandle bayishaya ngithi no, don't kill this snake. It's not a snake, it's a human being. This is not a snake.
Sure mama.
Bayishaya ekhanda ngathi ishayene lekhanda lebese loyilahlela le. Bayishaya ekhanda bayishaya until ingamove. Lo buthi lona bayithatha bahamba naye wathi uyilahlela le. Kune dumping la close la ngihlala khona. The following day siyobheka inyoka ayikho. Ngathi umuntu vela kunandaba. Wakwandlula 3 days akusakhuphula ukuthi be what day was that, but only 3 days passed. After that masise sontweni usisi kamfundisi uzakimi mema thapheleza umntwana kaSuzene usesibhedlela unemendi nje ayithise ekhanda aka uqulekile lapho sayisiwe
umama wesangoma
umntwana wakhe
umntwana walesangoma
so ngithi mina uthi ngenzeni athi bengicela umthandazele ngathi ngimthandazele kanjani ufanele athandazele yimi but hi like these people they are creepy. They know what this lady's been doing all along ngoba basebenza bonke la lesonto leli. So mina ngithatha angakayazi ngithatha umfundisi ngimhambisela ngaphandle ukuthi umfundisi usisi wakho uthi mina kwenzeka into esoso ufuna ngithanda